Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents. Okay, so again, Microsoft Word has a nice feature where you can create a table of contents. And so I have this, some subheadings, a few figures, and a table. So if I want to insert a table of contents, so I just want to go up here. I can start a new page if I want to, but I'm just going to keep it on here. And so if I want a table of contents, well, if you go to the References tab, just like with your captions, Reference tab, Table of Contents, and then you can have different styles of table of contents. I'm just going to keep the sort of default style here. So if I just literally just click it, and it created it for me. Okay, so this will match exactly as long as I have these identified. So if I go and I want to make sure, see if I click on this, you notice it identifies that that's heading 1, right? And so heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and I have a couple of subheadings in here, right? So heading 1, 2, 3, 4, and a couple of subheadings. Now, if I would change the name, let's say I want to change this. Let me say changed name. Okay. Now, here's the thing. It doesn't update automatically. What you have to do is if you just click on the table, okay, anywhere on the table, and then click Update Table, now you see it changed, it updated the heading there. Okay. So when you change it, again, as long as this is identified as a heading type up here, right? So again, if I want to change something and then I update it, and you notice it changes right here. Okay, so again, if you've ever tried to write a paper and create a table of contents without the automated feature, and then you change one thing, or you notice the page numbers are on here too, so this will automatically update. If the pages change, it's a complete mess. So this is a much easier way to do it. Okay, so that's your table of contents, and you could change the name here. I think I can just type in here, table of contents. Okay, so you can manipulate things a little bit. Now, if I want to insert, so I have two figures in a table, so if I want to insert a table of figures, same thing, so I go to the References tab, and here's Insert Table of Figures, all right? So there's a lot here, but basically, this kind of gives you a preview, show a page number, so you don't have to show the page numbers if you don't want to. You can change where the page number appears. There's a couple of things you can manipulate. I would just leave it as the standard template. And so I can actually choose, am I doing my figures or my table? So first I'm going to do my figures, okay? And I click OK. So there you go. So figure 1 is energy, figure 2 is the other energy. Now again, if I change this, okay, to something else, and I just need to update it, and I'm going to update everything, so notice it updated it as well. Okay, so again, if I would insert another figure ahead, let's just do that real quickly. Let me see if I can get this done. We'll put one here. Okay, so here's my other figure, so I want to add my caption. This is a figure, figure 1, another energy, whatever it's called. Okay. So notice this is now figure 2 and this is figure 3. So if I add this later on, then I can just click this. So I just click it anywhere and then right click, go to update entire table. Now it adds that, so it keeps track of it automatically. Okay, so really so much easier than doing this manually. Now if I want to add, I do have one table down here. So if I want to add that table here, again, I just need to go to my Insert Table of Figures, and I just have to change this from figure to table. Keep everything the same, click OK, there you go. Okay, so this is a really easy way to do your table of contents and your table of figures. If you wanted, proper formatting, you want this on a new page, so a quick way to do that is if you hit Control and Enter, it's automatically going to put that on the next page. Okay, and so that's it for this video.